Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another group of girls into the Maggie Holmes Shaker Embellishment group swap, and I'm going to jump straight into it. This entry is from Michelle. She is 4 Eyes Crafter on Instagram, and she did go ahead and include a little extra goodie for me. Look at this little wire wrap dangle right here. Gorgeous. And then she's included some super cute little felty embellishments. How cute. I wonder if Denise made these. But cute. Look at the little flower. Gorgeous. Thank you, girl. And this is her shaker. So she has 2 swans and then 2 little bunnies. Look how cute. She's got like a little tag hanging down. It's almost like a little tea pouch. She's got the little acrylic heart. Look at that tool on that bow. So gorgeous. She's got the gold like string layered up behind the bunny, and then the little shaker bits inside of there. She's got confetti inside the packaging. She's backed it on chipboard. There's her information on the back. And then here is the swan version. Again, the little tea bag. That is so cute. That's such a cute idea. Love it. These are gorgeous, girly. Thank you so much for playing. This entry is from Mary. She is Young Crafts LLC on Instagram, and look how creative, you guys. She made little printed chip bags, like little potato chip bags. So it says Maggie Holmes Garden Party, the swap information, and then this one has my name on it because she made one for me. So cute, Mary. I love that idea. I'm gonna have to cut it, and I hope I don't cut the shaker. Okay, so I had to cut it open, you guys. She's got cute little sequin mix and shaker, and look at this gorgeous hibiscus flower, and then she's got her little shaker bits. You guys, I don't know how you guys are cutting these intricate foam pieces, like so narrow, and you got to line up the foam with the pieces of paper. Girl. And then she's got the little bling right here on the stem of the flower. Super cute. Love it, Mary. And the packaging, so creative.